In the wild, animals hide their newborn to protect them from predators. Here in the park, they get a little extra help from the keepers. But how does the team do that when they can't even see them? There's exciting news for the carnivore team. Eloise is off to see the European wolves, who she thinks have just had pups. It's hoped this young pack, currently in an off-show breeding area, will one day rule Wolf Wood as the older timber wolves reach retirement.
So I'm just going to go and check on Django and Liska and see how they're getting on.
Pups are difficult to see.
After finding out that Aliska had a den, we've now been seeing her spend a lot of time in it, and she's become really aggressive towards Django and snarling and biting at him, which we've never seen before. Look at you, look how much her nipples are protruding, see? So obvious. The back two quite often look really well used as well. They're all looking pretty well used now though, so. You've got mud all over you. You've been digging your den bigger.
In the wild, the average size litter is 6 or 7, and the pups would remain underground in a den for at least 4 weeks.
Another worry is that she might have given birth and then she might have got an infection, so it's nice for her to come out and for us to visually check her over and make sure she's walking okay. That's it, go back to your babies.
But Eloise can't check up on the new pups because Aliska has hidden them in one of the 3 potential dens. In the wild, wolves use abandoned lairs or dig tunnels for dens, and they've done just that here. So team leader Amy is installing camera traps to try and monitor the pups.
It's been a long time since I've walked pups, so this will be absolutely incredible. We haven't seen any pups yet. You don't normally with the wolves. They normally stay in the den for a good week or so, and it's been just over a week now, so we're thinking we might see something soon, even if it just sounds, any whimpering or calling for mum, wanting some milk. So we're going to hopefully sort of come up here a bit more and just see if we can spot anything going on. We don't know if she's moved the pups at all. There seems to be a bit of activity we've just seen around these trees here. So we've got a camera trap on the den, and we're just going to put a camera trap here as well just to see if we can see anything going on.
But will the pack come out to play?